Here we have a dryer that isn't drying very well, and we changed the primary and secondary coils. It's still cycling too short, and we can see that this trap over time is almost totally obstructed all the airflow. So we'll just clean that up. It'll be a big difference. So here we can see with the cover removed, there's quite a bit of debris in there, and that's also caused a backup inside here, which has caused kind of like arterial sclerosis, where this vent tube is also pretty dirty. So we're going to clean that all out, and we'll have much better drying effect. Easy to get this stuff out, just pull it out. And already we're starting to see airflow, and that makes the dryer happy. So now with the vents cleaned, we're getting really good airflow again, and instead of a burn rate of 1 minute 20 seconds, we have almost 3 minutes, and that's a good healthy dryer. So I recommend that people do have these vents to keep critters out, or you can use one of these, but using both is probably not a good idea. And if you have to choose, I would choose these, and they keep critters out by when the dryer is turned off, these vents close, and then things can't climb in. So I think this is a better method than these things. Great, thanks for watching.